Okay, Omar, tell me about it.
Okay, so I was annoyed with my door and it kept squeaking and I forgot I bought this a few months ago. And it helps out with like metal and
Yeah,
whatnot.
sure. See how
So
squeaky
squeaky.
that is?
Trace one. Trace one.
So it's like a foam oil, Papa? Look at that, guys! It fixed it! So if you guys have a squeaky door, you know what to get. Hey, Papa?
It's WD-40.
Awesome. I didn't even know about these things, mijo.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Well, I didn't
amazing. Good job, boy.
I didn't even know this. I had this for the longest time.
Awesome. Thank you.